Natural Gas Energy Source by Michael Holland. Natural gas. Millions of years ago, the remains of plants and animal decay built up in the thick layers which mixed with sand and silt. Pressure and heat changed some of this organic material into coal, oil, and natural gas. Natural gas is a fossil fuel energy source used for heating, cooking, and electricity. Natural gas occurs deep beneath the Earth's surface. Natural gas consists mainly of methane, a compound with one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms. Natural gas is extracted from inside the earth through natural gas drilling in alongside oil drills. Once extracted, the gas is combined with a liquid called crude oil. This is how we convert natural gas into everyday energy. Once natural gas has been generated in nature, it tends to migrate within the sediment and rock in which it was created, using the core space, fractures, and fissures that occur naturally in the subsurface. Some natural gas actually makes it to the surface and shows up in seeps, while other gas molecules travel until they are trapped or impeded by impenetrable layers of rock, shale, salt, or clay. These trapped deposits are the reservoirs where we find natural gas today. Strengths. Natural gas is environmentally cleaner among the many burning fossil fuels available on the planet Earth. It's considered clean because, unlike other gases, natural gas emits less bioproducts into the atmosphere as pollutants. Natural gas is convenient to use and to have. As a clean burning energy source, natural gas is making a positive contribution to the nation's environmental and energy goals. The U.S. carbon dioxide emissions are near 20 years low. A major reason for the progress is development and use of America's abundant natural gas resources. Weaknesses. Natural gas is unable to be reused. It also emits carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, as we know, is bad for our atmosphere. The constant having carbon dioxide in the air will eventually lead to climate change and also global warming. Natural gas is lighter than air, though it's highly combustible. Since it's colorless, odorless, and tasteless, natural gas is hard to detect if a leakage occurs. Opportunities. The growth rate in employment is 0.91% year from 2015 to 2040, when total jobs reach 5.15 million. The economic contribution is estimated for the historical year of 2015 and projected to 2040. Wages will also increase for employees as well. By switching to natural gas, heated homes save U.S. customers over $5,700 on average over 15 years. Natural gas has begun to replace coal as an electricity source. This transaction will improve our health and slow down the rate of climate change because the combustion of natural gas only leads to 1/20th of the release of local pollutants and half the greenhouse gas emissions as coal. Threats. Leaked natural gas, mostly methane, is a powerful greenhouse gas. Increasing our resilience on natural gas could delay the deployment of much cleaner, renewable energy, putting us at a greater risk of failing to meet the level of emissions reductions needed to avoid the worst consequences of the climate change. The construction and land disturbance required for oil and gas drilling can alter land and use harm local ecosystems by causing erosion and fragmenting wildlife habitats and migration patterns. Natural gas tactics. Social media. Social media can provide a glimpse into communities' most important concerns as well as platform for addressing them directly, clearly, and efficiently. Speed is the most significant benefit of information shared on social media. The information can reach users directly and almost immediately, unfiltered and uncolored by any media spin. With the use of bloggers, they are able to produce a graphical representation of natural gas production data, job numbers associated with resources extraction, and even the monetary value of oil produced in a given state. Pipeline and Hazardous Materials Safety Administration, also known as PHMSA, mission is to protect people and the environment by advancing the safe transportation of energy and other hazardous materials that are essential to everyone's daily life. The National Association of Regulatory Utility Commissioners, or NARUC, is a nonprofit organization dedicated to representing the state public services such as energy, telecommunications, power, water, and transportation. Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, natural gas STAR program mission is to protect human health and in the environment. Some of what the EPA works to ensure is that Americans have clean air, land, and water. Natural gas tactics shareholders. The American Gas Association, AGA, mission is to provide clean value to its membership and serve as the indispensable leading voice and facilitator on its behalf in promoting the safe, reliable, and efficient delivery of natural gas to homes and business across the nation. The Center for Climate and Energy Solutions, also known as C2ES, believes a strong policy and action can reduce the greenhouse gas emissions, promote clean energy, and strengthen resistance to climate impacts. The Pipeline Safety Trust promotes pipeline safety through education and advocacy. Increase access to information in partnership with resident safety advocates, government, and industry, resulting in safer communities and a healthier environment. Natural gas tactics budget. Conducting research about our target audience, I propose that we spend $20,000 during this phase. Research helps companies learn the best ways to reach their intended audience. Learning their mindset, companies are able to capitalize and achieve their goals. Because of how useful paid advertisement still is, we like to budget for advertising is $5,000. This will include newspaper, direct mail, and the internet. We will also like to hire a publicist. We budget for $45,000. This person will oversee our social media platforms, making sure that we are engaging the public in a timely manner. Natural gas. Today, America has an opportunity to embrace natural gas as a fuel of our future. The United States has past Russia to become the world's largest natural gas producer and projected to become a net exporter within the next decade. According to the Energy Information Administrator, also known as EIA, natural gas represented 28% of U.S. energy consumption in 2012 and is expected to grow to 30% by 2040. Slightly more than half of American homes use gas. Increasingly, natural gas is being used for electric power generations as well. Natural gas is used extensively in the residential commercial applications. It is the main energy used for home heating services. However, as important as natural gas is today and our future energy needs, most people must be able to capitalize on this resource and drive greater economic prosperity. Natural gas energy source. The end.